Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you how to preview your PDF files directly inside VS Code. You can open them, just read them like normal files. By default VS Code doesn't have a built-in PDF previewer. There is an extension that you can install here which is called as VS Code-PDF. If you just write this, the very first extension which comes right here, this is the extension I'm talking about, display PDF file in VS Code. So basically it's used by almost 9 million developers, so it's a very good extension. Simply click the install button, and as soon as you click the install button, now you can actually preview your PDF files. So let me just open this PDF file here. Side by side inside this VS Code itself, you will see the live preview of the PDF file. You can see we have all the controls. We can navigate to any page. We can go to the next page. We can read this. We also have the automatic zoom functionality as well. If you want to zoom in or zoom out, you also have these buttons to actually, you have this open file button. So here you can actually open any file here. So you can select any file here. So it's easy, that's easy. And then we also have the download button as well. It's a complete editor. We can even print. So you can see it's preparing your document for printing purposes as well. So all these things you can do this. You can rotate the page clockwise. This is your hand tool. So you can move it basically any section. So in this easy way you can do this. You preview your PDF files. You can check out the document properties as well. File name, file size, creation date, creator, producer, version, size. All these things you can do that. So all these buttons are there. So you can basically install this extension and go to last page, go to first page. All these buttons you can see. It's a great extension. So definitely install this extension, guys. Just simply go to extension, just type VS Code PDF, and this is the extension. Simply install it. And please hit that like button, subscribe the channel, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.